Hey, quick question. Are you still letting the banks decide what you and your money are worth? If you're tired of watching your paycheck disappear to taxes, interest, and fees, then this is the video that can end that procrastination forever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact three-step process that you can use to get started with infinite banking and become your own banker. I should preface this by saying that it's imperative that you read the book Becoming Your Own Banker. At a minimum, you'll want to listen to the audio. This is self-education that they don't teach in schools. So it's going to be a good idea to have the book on hand when you have questions, when you think of things at night. That's why Nelson called it the infinite banking concept. Because when you learn how it works, your mind is going to race. You're going to think of infinite ways that you can use your policies. You might want to open up branch banks and have multiple policies like I do, many of my clients do, and how Nelson Nash did. But this is not about the product of life insurance. This is about the process of banking. So let's get started. Step one is the hardest for most people. Stop procrastinating and start now. Right now. Not next month, not after tax season, now. You already know there's a lot of uncertainty in the world, so now is the time. Every day, every week you wait is another day the banks get full control and use of your money. When you store your money in someone else's bank, they have the use of it. And typically, lending institutions, financial institutions, banks loan money. They don't loan their money, they loan your money. So why not take control today while you can? Decide that your family's freedom is more important than your comfort zone. Step two, find a real IBC practitioner, not some random agent who just learned the buzzword IBC yesterday. Not someone trying to sell you the latest, greatest IUL or whatever the flavor of the month is. You want someone who actually practices IBC and someone who lives and breathes the Nelson Nash philosophy. Someone who's already helped dozens of other families and can set this up correctly for you. Step three, get your application submitted for your economic value. For you or the insured, someone that you love and care about, someone in your family or a business partner. People often think they want to start with policies on their kids or their wife. But if you're the breadwinner, you're the one that should have one of these policies to get started. Think about who the beneficiaries will be, who will inherit your finances, who will inherit your system. This again is another reason you'll want to have the book so you can refer to it, so you can share it with your friends and family and loved ones. You can solve for finance or your human life value. Your agent should be able to help you with this. That's it. One application. You don't have to have everything figured out yet. You can work out the exact details while you're in underwriting. That's going to take 30 to 60 days, maybe even up to 90. If it gets done quicker, that means you're healthy. During that time, you can decide how you want to fund your policy, your system. But you have to start the process. Look, your life literally depends on this from a mortality perspective and from a financial perspective. It's all about who's in control of your money. The banks have had their turn. Now it's yours. Comment IBC below and I'll send you my list of trusted IBC practitioners in your area. You can even do this completely online if you choose. The only regret I ever hear from people is, I wish I would have started this earlier. So start now. Stop waiting. Start banking on yourself like your life depended on it. This is video 1 of 3. In my next video, I'll show you exactly what IBC should look like. I'll see you in the next one.